is Hernan with Granville Homes, and I'm here to show you what to do if your exhaust fan continuously runs and will not turn off. The tools you will need are a flathead screwdriver and a ladder. If you have an Airzone exhaust fan, a screwdriver is not needed. Take the ladder and place it under the exhaust fan. Pull down the exhaust fan cover and pinch the springs to remove. There are two different settings. One is the sensitivity and the other is a timer. The sensitivity level is measuring the humidity level within the area. If turned to max, the more sensitive it becomes to the humidity. Adjust the sensitivity level so that it is less sensitive to the humidity level. The timer level is measuring how long you want the fan to run in addition to its standard setting. Adjust the timer down so the fan does not run as long. Reinstall the exhaust fan cover by pinching the pins first. If the fan continues to run for a long period of time, please contact our customer care team. Done.